If you've ever wondered how Cash App Afterpay works and what you should know before using it, in this video, I will break it down for you step by step. Cash App Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service integrated directly into Cash App, allowing you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks without needing a separate Afterpay account. When you use Afterpay through Cash App, the store gets paid in full upfront by Afterpay, minus a small fee, even though you're paying in installments. For example, if you buy something for $200, Afterpay pays the store that full amount right away, and you only pay $50 today through your Cash App account. Then, Afterpay automatically schedules and charges the remaining 3 payments every 2 weeks from your Cash App balance or linked bank account. This means Afterpay takes on the risk, not the store, while Cash App acts as the payment platform. You can use Cash App Afterpay in 2 main ways. Either by converting recent eligible Cash App card purchases into payment plans within the app, or by selecting Afterpay as a payment option at checkout when shopping online at select merchants. To convert a recent purchase, it must be a Cash App card transaction made within the last 7 days at an in-network merchant and for at least $25. For online shopping, you can choose Afterpay at checkout even if you don't have a Cash App card. All management of payments, skipping payments, or disputes happens directly in Cash App. No separate Afterpay login is needed. One important thing to note is that using Cash App Afterpay does not impact your credit score, and your spending limits with Cash App Afterpay are separate from any existing Afterpay account you might have. However, overdue balances on either platform could affect your future spending limits or eligibility. Plus, Cash App and Afterpay are both owned by Block Incorporated, which allows for seamless integration and secure communication between the 2 services. To make payments, simply open Cash App, go to your Activity tab, select your Afterpay purchase, and choose how much you want to pay. Your next scheduled payment, the remaining balance, or a custom amount. You can also enable or disable autopay within the app for convenience. In short, Cash App Afterpay offers a flexible and convenient way to buy now and pay later with no interest or hidden fees. It's designed to make managing your payments simple and integrated directly within Cash App, getting you control and transparency before you buy. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.